What's going on, guys? This is Alex with Beard Adventures, and I've had this for a while, but I didn't really have a way. As you can see, it's kind of dusty and dirty up top here. It's just kind of been sitting around. I didn't have another camera until now. I'm using the GoPro. Here's my phone, so I'm gonna need to link my phone up to it to test it out. The Altec Lansing Lifejacket 2. It's, if you can read that, waterproof, sandproof, everything proof. 16 hours of battery with built-in smartphone charger. Floats in water, hands-free speakerphone, and it's mountable. So check around the back side of it here. All right, basically everything that you saw in the front. Bluetooth, Android, iPhone, computers, iPods, tablets. Well, I didn't look at that before. I guess I could use my computer. Could have done this video months ago. Alright. Let's go ahead and open it up. I did a little... You just gotta peel that and peel this one. And there it is. And yeah, it just comes right on out of there. So this is the product. Alright. So it looks like a micro USB spot, which I don't even have. I don't think I have anything with micro USB. It looks like a USB. And then headphone jack. Oh, look at that. Straight up is mountable. Oh, it comes with lots of pieces. We'll get to that in a second. So, I mean, that's cool. Like, if I wanted, I could put it on my tripod. Not going to, though. Alright, put that off this side in front of the Alexa. Alright, let's get into all this fun stuff here. Alright, micro USB. I think, actually, I'm not sure what that is. Yeah, I guess that's the plug on the back, but then to charge it, you use a USB. Here's some mounting stuff for it. If you were going to put it on a bike or something. It looks just like the GoPro stuff. So, there's a possibility. This is kind of cheaply made. It's definitely just like the GoPro though. Like, it works just like the GoPro. It's got the little GoPro type latches. I wonder if I can use this for my GoPro to attach it to different things. Kind of battery. Make sure the following items are included. USB. Oh. It has an aux cable. That's cool. Well, my phone doesn't have a port, but I have an adapter. AC adapter. Must be in this box. Yes. Okay. This is your home adapter. Okay. Then you plug the USB into this and plug the other thing in there. That's how you charge it right now. Well, you get some stickers. You can put on whatever you want. I'm not sure. Not sure what I would use that for. Alright. Uh-oh. I need this. I need this again.
Powering on. Welcome to Altec Lansing.
It's got voices. My phone. And go to Bluetooth. And pair new device. The Lifejacket 2. really far away.
Who you gonna call? There's an invisible man sleeping in your bed. Who you gonna call?
Alright, so basically, I think it will do whatever you need it for. I think, I'm not going to do a water test, because I'm just not that trusting. And I just wanted a speaker that I can use when I'm outside and that different people can use. So, and it has pretty decent speakers. I mean, as you can tell, I was pretty far away. I was down in the hall, and I think anybody in the house could hear this thing. If you look at it, this is like the little case. It's like a rugged case for it. So if you do drop it, I'm not near. Please make sure all waterproof doors are closed and sealed before exposing your speaker to water or submerging it underwater. Failure to do so can cause irreparable damage to your speaker. So basically, I think that's just the door on the back. Just gotta make sure this door on the back is completely closed. Another review on it. This is more so unboxing, not a review. So when you guys like comment like, "This is a terrible review," I'm not really doing a review. It's more just a unboxing, you know, and checking out the speaker. So it's not really a review, but in a couple months I will do a review, and hopefully it will have had its use, you know, in the water, sand, all that fun stuff. Alright guys, you have a good one. I'm out. Bye.